Okay, the first step you have to do is downloading all the sector files for Euroscope which you're going to control. So head out to vatwa.net. I'll put the link on this page, and after that click on vatwa library and then India. And there we are. These are the resources for India VACC. I would suggest you to download all these four files. See after downloading. Once you have downloaded all the files, it will be store it in any folder you want. I've stored it here. So here are all the files, and I assume you have downloaded Euroscope and audio for VATSIM already. Now let's open Euroscope. And then the first time if you are opening Euroscope, it prompts you to open a PRF file, and if it prompts you to open that file, just go to VIDF master and open this file. If it asks you to open a PRF file, rule set file, open this file, VIDF underscore master dot PRF file, and then Euroscope will open by itself. And then the first thing you have to do is load a sector file. For example, if you want to control VIDP ground, click this open sector and then load sector file, and then navigate to VIDF master which you have downloaded. Under VIDF master folder, navigate to sector file and then click those and click open. So here is the VIDF sector file. You can zoom in by scrolling in, and you can pan on the map by right clicking and moving it. Right click, and then there comes the display option. You have to click the GND UNL option here. Go to that, and then assuming you are going for ground, click these which I recommend. Click airports, runways, close all these, geo, free text and ground network, and show squawk on bedphone, and let it all be done, and click apply, and also on select the high airbase. Airports, runways, geo, free text and ground network, apply. Okay, and then zoom in. There comes the airport layout, and then the next thing you will do is connect to VATSIM. So you should click the connect option here. Okay, it will be direct to VATSIM, and your call sign will be, if you're controlling ground, it will be VIBB ground, and if you're willing to be observer, just type your name. For example, my name is Arul Murugan and I type AM underscore OBS. This is what we do for observer. For now it shall be TADP underscore ground, and then the facility will be ground, and then the facility will be ground. You can also choose clearance delivery if you have S1, and then your rating, it will be student 1 ground or delivery, and then your VATSIM ID and password, and then the Singapore, those who are living in India, the closest server will be Singapore, and then info line 1 Mumbai ground, and info line 3 contact Mumbai, it will be Delhi ground, right? Delhi ground, and contact VADP ground, enable at 121.9, and for info line 4 I have given VATSIM West Asia, the link for VATSIM West Asia, and then the range set here should be 20. Here I have set it as 18. That is no problem. You can set the range between 15 and 20. No more than 20 is allowed. So, and then if a first time open it, stop and start the proxy server again. That's a problem with the Euroscope, and then you are finished. You should click connect. Log off time is 50, and also if you want to show your log off time, it shows when you will be logging off after you log on. It is optional, so I'm leaving it as set. Your log off time continue it. Yes. Okay. Now it shows VATSIM. So now it means you're connected to the network. And then the next thing you have to do is click on this headphone symbol here. You'll see a series of voice communication setup here if you have loaded the VATSIM PRF file, and then you see VIDP ground, click it as primary, and that's it, and close it. Finished. And then now the next step is you have to open the audio for VATSIM. I'll just go for audio for VATSIM. Yes. The first time you have opened audio for VATSIM, you should go to settings, VATSIM CID, VATSIM password, and then set up your microphone device which you will be speaking to, and the output device which you will hear, and then configure the mic volume such that the speaking falls in the green line, such I have set to 40, and then this is not required, and then the push to talk key, which you will be pressing to talk, and then leave all as it is, and then you should click apply here, and then if you click connect, it will automatically fetch VIDP ground which I have connected in VATSIM 121.9. so you should click both transmit, received, and XC. This is what you will do in audio for VATSIM, and then now you are connected. This is all for the connection part. Just a recap, you will open, connect, and then VIDP ground, all you will fill in the details, and then connect, and then you will go to headphone symbol, and then find VIDP ground, and then set it as primary, take it as primary, and then receive voice, and then close it, and then go to audio for VATSIM settings, and then fill all those, and then connect. Automatically connected to VIDP ground, the frequency which is there. Okay.